Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to cook delicious and budget-friendly recipes using only common ingredients. So if you're looking for tasty meals that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. First on our menu is a classic spaghetti aglio e olio. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that only requires pasta, garlic, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and parsley. You won't believe how something so simple can be so delicious. Next up, we have a hearty vegetable stir-fry. All you need is a medley of fresh vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, and snap peas. Throw in some soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for an extra kick. This colorful dish is not only budget-friendly, but also packed with nutrients. Moving on to the main course, we have a mouth-watering chicken and rice casserole. This creamy and comforting dish combines tender chicken, rice, frozen vegetables, and a simple cream sauce. It's perfect for feeding a crowd without breaking the bank. For dessert, we have a simple yet satisfying apple crumble. Just slice some apples, toss them with cinnamon and sugar, and top with the crumbly mixture of oats, flour, butter, and brown sugar. Pop it in the oven, and in no time, you'll have a sweet treat that everyone will love. And there you have it, delicious and budget-friendly recipes using only common ingredients. With just a little creativity, you can create amazing meals without spending a fortune. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty and affordable recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!